Protesting in the rain. Yes, just protesting in the rain. Do not let. We all ate that sweet. We're not gonna melt. It may ruin his purdy little military parade, but it doesn't stop the protesters. Just think of the conditions of the folks being detained in Alabama, in New Jersey, in Delaney Hall. The way they're inhuman conditions 24/7. We could handle a little rain. And you know, a secret of bad situations or hard situations, take a few steps either way, and you get a different perspective. Remember when you were a kid, you wanted to go out and play in the rain, and your parents said, yeah, oh, we better not. If it's raining, embrace it. Yes. You're not going to melt. And you're still having a better day than those in CCOT that shouldn't be there. For those in the detentions in our own country from the ICE bullshit that shouldn't be there. So, rain will not stop us, Republicans. See you there.